Tesco Mobile requires age verification to comply with UK laws, ensuring customers are at least 16 years old for independent mobile service purchases. This prevents under 16s from incurring debts or accessing harmful content. Age verification is crucial when purchasing pay-as-you-go SIMs or starter packs online or in-store. For those under 16, a parental consent code is needed, obtained by a parent verifying their identity through a bank app or email. For adults 16 and over, a standard age verification code is used. Tesco Mobile uses methods such as scanning government-issued IDs via their website or app, or presenting physical IDs in store to verify age. These processes are audited by Ofcom with ongoing improvements to prevent fraud. Key takeaways include that age 16 and over is required for independent purchases, PCC for under 16 and AVC for 16 plus, ID verification online or in-store, and processes audited by Ofcom. If age verification fails due to issues like poor image quality, users can retry the upload or contact Tesco's helpline for manual review. Tesco provides troubleshooting guides on their website for resetting codes or appealing denials within 24 hours. Current trends involve integrating AI and biometrics for real-time verification, making the process faster and more accurate. AI algorithms analyze documents instantly, while facial recognition ensures secure identity confirmation. Ofcom is pushing for a unified UK-wide age verification framework, potentially integrating with NHS or DVLA databases in the future to streamline the process and reduce repeated verifications. Expert opinions emphasize cross-industry collaboration to prevent minors from circumventing checks via secondary markets, ensuring comprehensive protection across all platforms. These measures are continually evolving to enhance security and user experience, balancing protection with ease of access.